What's up, guys? I'm finally making another video. It's gonna be on the WRX hatch. Been a problem for me for a long time. I'll get a shake, a very strong vibration doing highway speeds like 60, 65. And today we're gonna fix it. I've tried a new steering rod, new tie rods, new ball joints, STI control arms, new wheel bearings, hub-centric rings, new pillow ball joints in VC coilovers. Replace those. I've replaced literally everything that would possibly cause this. Couldn't figure it out, but today we are gonna fix it. These are the tools that we're gonna need for this job. I'm gonna be replacing the spacers with these 5mm ones. Got the torque wrench, 3/8 ratchet, little torque bar to get more leverage, flathead, mallets. Got the 3/8 impact, drill to clean off the rust, and a light, and some new aluminum hub-centric rings. So let's jack up the Subi and get going. I'm working with a very limited space because now I have a sled that I just got running after it sat for 19 years. It's sitting right here in between my mom's car and my car. And there's not much space over there. But we're gonna make it work the best we can. Also, peep the fitment. Got a slight amount of poke, probably like 15, 20 millimeters, maybe an inch of poke, front and back. So now we're gonna take off these spacers and we are going to put on smaller ones. So take an image in your head of how that looks now, because the fitment is not gonna be the same after we're done. I usually break the lug nuts before I jack the car up. There's a common practice that I do when I work on this thing. Holy fuck. That shit is dumb tight. This old hub-centric ring, it's a decent shape, I guess. Good thing I used anti-seize on this when I put them on. Spacer off. Before we do anything, we are going to need to clean this surface back off. Y'all can see how dirty that is. Hit it again with this stuff on it. Perfect. And now for the hub-centric ring. This is an aluminum ring. Obviously you guys saw just now I had these other ones on, plastic or whatever. These should be a little bit better, I'm hoping. I feel like this is the only way I'm gonna be able to get these hub-centric rings in. probably gonna knock my wheel out of balance after this. They're wearing pretty even. One. Ooh, that looks pretty rusty. Wash off all that rust. Definitely not stingy with this stuff. Gonna use it to my advantage here. Oh, that flung off. Good enough. Feels flush enough for my liking. One, two, three. Ooh. You think so?
Yeah. No, just hopefully it doesn't shake or rub.
Yeah. It's got that flush.
Are you going for a test?
That flush look. So that's pushed in 10 millimeters from where it was. Because I had 15 millimeter spacers on. And now I have 5 mils on. And that's literally perfect. Slight poke in the front. Very, very slight in the back. So hopefully it doesn't rub. Hopefully it doesn't shake. Let's see. We should not have rubbing anymore, and we should not have a steering wheel shake above 60-ish, 65 miles per hour. Oh. No rubbage there.
Isn't that what British people say for trash?
Yes.
Rubbish? No, rubbish. Rubbish. Not
Yeah, rubbish.
buses.
It's some shit like that. New Fitment. Y'all fucking with this or what? Use my phone light. I mean, that's crispy. That's crisp. Better lighting on this side. That's crisp. Check the back. I mean, that's straight down the fender. Valid. And since I did this, it don't really rub. Just pulled up to the gas station. Better fill the hog up with some gas. Type shit. $379.9. How much is that where you guys are at? There's some bullshit. Fitment's pretty tough. I'm not gonna lie, I like it. A little bit more flush. Let me know in the comments what else you guys want to see from me. Within car content, dirt bike stuff, snowmobiles, anything. I'm open to anything. Let me know if you guys enjoy my content too. Finally hit that 1.1K mark. So I'm gonna be dropping some longer form videos soon. More often, I should say. But yeah, I enjoy making videos. Shit's starting to pop off slowly, but at a good rate. I know I've been slacking low-key as far as long form content goes, but pretty busy with life, with school, work, the business, things like that. Working on stuff every day, every weekend. So life is lifing right now. $40 to fill the tank. What do you guys think of the Fitment? I fuck with it. I kind of wish the car was lower, kind of how it used to be when I had it purple, but I don't know. This is a good height for just driving normally. I want to be able to put it into corners without having to worry, so. Wake up, Colin.
That's awesome. I mean, that sounds not awesome, but this is
Yeah.
rubbing.
It's definitely. Oh. Yeah, I think something is rubbing against something or another. I don't know.